So hello guys, nagbabalik tayo ulit dito sa laro na to. At ang pangalan ay Alone. So ano na kasi nangyari? Itong scientist na to, gusto niya tayong pakuhanin ng dynamite para patayin yung alien at yun lang. Okay, continue na natin to kaagad. Wala nang palibos-libos, walang intro. Kasi part 2 na kaagad to. Okay, punta na tayo. Ay, bathroom to. Hoy! Uy, grabe. Grabe. Okay. Okay, tara. Maghanap na tayo ng dinamita. Mga nangyari sa last episode ay na-miss niya daw yung yung asawa ni Rob, tapos yun lang, plane crash. At hindi ko na. Oh wait, babalik tayo dito. Open the emergency hatch. Saan? Ay, yun. Chapter complete. Ay! Great. A long, purely lit tunnel. Chapter complete. Oh, yun pala yung yun yung end ng chapter 1. Okay, looks like chapter 2 na tayo, guys. Okay, nakaakyat na tayo. Ay, wait, ito yung ito yung pinag-travel ng yun. Ayun. Okay, dapat pala yung last video in-end ko na lang. This must be done. Ay, yung may. Okay. Hindi nakakatakot yun, guys. Hindi nakakatakot. Ay, chapter 2, guys. Hindi ako matatakutin. Oh my goodness. Grabe, mukhang boss fight to sa tingin ko boss fight to, guys. Okay, ano yun narinig ko? Paano tayo, gagawin natin? Find the dynamite. Oh, okay. One dynamite. Ay, search muna natin lahat ng corner. Tanda rin natin yung letter E. Alam ba natin umakyat? Oh my goodness. Nakatakot to, guys. Parang any second yan, nilitaw yung monster, di ba? Nasa other side of the facility siya. Baka mabilis lang yun, guys. Baka mabilis. Mabilis maglakad. Ay! Nah, bro! Wait lang nga. Hanapin na nga natin. Baka nandito lang yun. Ay, you know what? Skip ko na nga to. Sige, skip na natin. And 3, 2, 1, transition. Wait lang. Maghanap tayo ng transition dito. Transition. Ay, grabing. That was too close. Ay, grabe, guys. Hindi ko nagawa yung transition. Well, okay na yan. Okay, nandito yung isa pang dinamita siguro. Diba? Bingo! Grabe, hindi ko nagawa yung transition. Maganda sana yung lace. Okay, nasa na tayo? Pangalawang dinamita. At pangatlo ay nandito. Hello? Ito na, guys. Dito na yung pangatlo. At ang daming minor helmet. Ayan na. Nilalagay sa ulo. Nailaw. And bingo! There it is. Ano yan? Is that a lighter? Uy! Grabe. That must be all of them. Ay! babalik na tayo. You know what, hindi na tayo magta-transition, baka may mangyari na naman ng masama. Ano na lang, ito torture ko kayo, napapanoorin nyo tong buong paglalakad. Buong paglalakad ko. Joke lang pala. Oh, hell no. Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no. Asha. Sige lang, sige. Hide. Hide, hide, hide. Korele, korele, korele. Hide, cabron. Grabe ng animation yan. Hindi tayo nakita. Yeah! Oh, bumabalik siya ulit. Okay, hindi tayo nakita, guys. Grabe yun. Yun, kumuha tayo ng lantern. I dodged a bullet there. Ay, babalik na tayo. Return to the transit shuttle. Alam ko na, guys, dito natin papatayin yan, itong alien na to, dito sa pwesto na to. Sigurado ako, itong Before I go, Robert Harrison, your plan with the scientists is not going to go the way you think. Do with that information what you will. He can speak! Ay, grabe. Alien na nagsasalita. Oh no! Wait lang, nasa na ako? Sa tingin ko, ano natin yun? Asawa? Asawa ba? Ay, saan yung daanan? Ang dilim. Uy, nasa yung daanan? Baka naman. Ay, ito, dito. Ayun yung entrance. Ay, ito. How does he know my name? Hindi ko rin alam. Baka asawa mo yung cards. Maybe that's your wife. Okay? Safe tayo. Gotta get this bag to the scientists. Diba left tayo? Oo, left tayo. Ay, hindi. Lantern lang pala yun. Iniwan natin. Okay. Return to the transmit shuttle. And bakit? Ito ba? Wala man yata. Ay, ito. Paano tayo akit dito? Ang dilim. Wala makita. Hello? Hey! Grabe. Hindi dyan. Dito tayo. Ay, hindi. Dito. Ano to? Paano i-play to? Play. Use computer. I hope I don't regret this. So what is going to be, Tom? Or best use it all possible option. It would be irresponsible not to proceed with the full determination. We are afforded the opportunity of a lifetime, and if we throw it away, the risk of humanity is too great. You are not thinking clearly on this. The financials alone, we're talking about billions. With a B. I'm not here to make money. I'm here because of my dedication as a scientist. Scientist process, since when is scaling your project considered part of the scientific process, and we will never see an alien life again in 10,000 years. And what's so bad about that? Really, I'm done what's the best for 14 others not in this room. You're doing what's best for you. I'm sorry you feel this that way. I really am. Ay, grabe! You wouldn't There. You leave me no choice. What are you going to tell the others? I'm going them. You left your heart. Which the way I see is true. Go ahead. Kill me. Ay, shoot me. Babarilin niya talaga. Siyempre, walang awayan eh. Nangyari. Hello? Hello? End of recording. You kill the other scientists. Ay! Nagsarado yung pinto. I need to have a talk with this scientist. Grabe yun ah. I hope I never used this. Oh damn. Imposibleng pa ano eh, alien yung pumata. And never mind. Nandiyan na yung alien. I want to know who's in control here. Because it's certainly not you. I didn't realize by sparing your life, I was saving one of your species. That is the obvious. Well, looks like he decided to show up. Funny, I was hoping a few words with Dr. Brazil, but it seems like you beat me to it. And what are you going to do about it? I have an idea. Throw the dynamite! I'm gonna put a bullet in between those bags of yours. Save your ammunition. Who knows, you may need it later. Oh damn. Grabe, ilan yun? 1, 2, 3. 3 bullets na nasayang. Did I really miss all the shots? Grabe yun talaga. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Okay ka lang, bro? Patay ka na, boy! Why did you kill the other scientists? I made a mistake. I'm sorry. Look at me. I can't trust you. You have no choice but to trust me. There is no escape without my help. Look, we don't know when he'll come back. I have these 3 sticks of dynamite. Go into my quarters and find the remote ignition kit. Take the dynamite sticks to the north side using the turns. You need to destroy these rooms. The lab's supply room, the power supply. Put the thermostat in the elevator. From here, activate the ignition element. Will the elevator power? The assumed power should last for 1 trip. By the time you reach the surface, the life support system will fail. The alien will be trapped and so percent, and you'll be a free man. Best of luck to you. Thanks, I guess. Pag ikaw talaga nagsisinungaling tapos yung pinasabog ko to, hindi ako nakaakyat ha. Pag talaga eh. Pag hindi ako nakatakas dito, sasapakin kita. Oy, chapter complete. Oh, chapter 3. Chapter 3 na tayo, guys. Chapter 3. Ang bilis naman, ah. Okay, bit na lang natin itong chapter 3. Tapos, next episode tayo ulit, guys. Chapter 3 na tayo, guys. Oh, wait. Get to the transcript. Chapter. Imagine pag nasagasaan natin yung alien habang gumagana to. Gaano kaya kabilis to? Okay, wala yung alien. 3 rooms, 3 sticks of dynamite. Ay, unang room. Dito tayo maglalagay. Wala kamusta. At least that one was easy. Okay, dito nila ginagawa yung mga experiments. Okay. Ay, dito pa ba? Di na yata. Oh no. Ano to? What exactly am I looking at? Ha? Ano to? Ha? Oh. Hi. Dito papunta dun. Tama. Ito papunta dito. Tama. Ito papunta dun. Mali. Turn. Turn. Ito papunta dun. Ayun na. Tama. Okay. Ito papunta dito. Okay. Papunta right, left, tapos right, left. Tama. Mali. No. Okay, unahin muna natin dito sa side na to. Right, left. Oh, wait. Right, left, left. Okay. Tapos, dito naman, right yan, di ba? Right, left. Right, left. Green is good, right? Pwede rin. Pwede rin na, maganda yung green. Pwede rin. Okay, saan na tayo next? Dito, di ba? Hindi. Ano ba? Power, supply room, lab supply, server room, at sa pang supply, saan yun? Alam ba, naka-open to? Dito ba? Ay, grabe, ano to? Okay, sana naman laboratory, guys. Dito natin lalagay ito. What were those scientists cooking up in this lab? Huwag mo subukan na palabas. Ayan. So, hindi lang... Back. Okay, then. I think I know where this dynamite is going. Nope. You stupid. You're not going. Oh wait, mas delikado kasi pag nauna yan, tapos immune sila sa explosive, makakalabas yun. Tapos dito naman, pag sumabog yung dalawa na yun, ay power supply room yun, sasabog tong buong grid. Bala na, tayo gumagawa tayo ng sarili nating teorya. Grabe to. Buti wala pang, hindi tayo nagja-jumpscare. We're not getting jumpscare. Find the surface elevator. Ito. General storage. Saan yung surface elevator? Observation room. Dito ba? Where the surface elevator? Ito ba? Wala mong surface. Evacuation office. Dito siguro. Evacuation office. Pag nakahiga pa rin siya. Okay, may masalang... May ano dito, may something. Ano to? Ano gagawin natin? Surface elevator. Saan yung surface elevator, guys? Wala mang surface elevator, ah. Ay, alam ko na mangyayari. Bibitray tayo ng scientist na yon. Siya yung mauuna sa surface elevator. Ito yata. Ito sa general status. Hala! Saan tayo? General storage. You are traveling. Surface elevator. Ah! Mali. Walang surface elevator dito, boy. Nandun sa kabila yung surface elevator. Ano ba yan? Grabe naman. At saka may nakabukas na vent doon. Baka ano. Baka dumaan doon yung scientist. Hindi ko sure. Tama ba? Ay, grabe. Nandito lang pala eh. O, nandiyan ka na pala. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Rob. You're still alive. Huh, me? What about you? You looked dead just a few minutes ago. I think I must have moved knockout. I'm okay. Did you set the dynamite? Yeah, I did. Look at the face. Good. Pipindutin niya yan. That's weird. Not yet. You know, Rob, my father didn't teach me much. But he did teach me one thing. To never trust a crazy man with a gun. An extra detonator comes in handy in times like this. Godspeed to you, Rob. Ay, grabe ka, sabi na niya. You son of... Tatarin mo! Correle. Grabe ka talaga, scientist. Oh my goodness. Grabe tong scientist na to. There might be a way out through the one long tunnel above. Grabe, nabitray tayo ng scientist. Sabi na niya ba? At saka paano siya nakapunta doon? Natutulog pa lang siya sa flooring kanina. Ba't siya nakapunta doon? Hindi man niya ginamit yung ano, yung shuttle thingy. Diba ito yung sira? Ay, tara. Ah! Saan yung daan? Ay, akyat pa tayo. Okay. Tatlo sila. Great, just great. Correle. not dying because scientists betrayed me. Kaya mo yan. Akyat. Bilis! Correle! Correle, Rob. There's no time. Tatadtarin ko to. Watch your step. Large step. Tatadtarin ko tong letter E. Ay, letter F. Baka may biglang kailangan pindutin. Ang dilim, baka bigla akong mapasobra. Okay, akyat. Up. Dahan-dahan, naglalag ako. Up. Punti ka na ako doon. Okay, up, dahan-dahan. Baka biglang... Okay. To. Takbo. Likot mo! Sabi na nga ba? Told you, sasabihin ito. Told you should have not trusted the scientist. Bravo, you, Robert. You almost made it out. Pero may baril ako, boy. I take my ass for you once per minute. You almost upset. Go figure. You are smarter than I thought you'd be. Tell me, how do you think you'll get out of it? Just a bad dream, I guess. You humans and your dreams. Unfortunately, your species, I think your nightmare. Unfortunately for my species. Robert, I am species called... Ano yan? Gorlick? We conquer worlds. Thousands of us recently dominating your planet. When we're done, they I spare me. Mahulog yan. We conquer worlds. We prevent and help all about mission change and entertainment purposes. I understand your presence as something familiar. Yeah, Zeus. Ayun, mahulog yan. Ay, babarilin niya yan. And thus, we get to the point. Every step of the way, I've been your controller. You brought because of me. And you selected the one to represent your creatures. You should be grateful. Ano daw? Ano? Di ka na. Which is... Where's my wife? She is almost certainly dead by now. Yes. How dare you? That's the wrong answer. Grabe. Oops, sana na-save and... Sige guys, hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. At, wait, hintay lang natin to. Baka meron pa dito sa chapter na to. Or hanggang yun na lang? Hanggang yun na lang ba? Okay. Hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. Sana na-enjoy nyo. At, chapter 4, maghintay kayo. Hehe. Sige guys, hanggang dito na lang at bye-bye! Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe and kung gusto nyo pong mga video na to, sabihin nyo lang sa baba o kaya may request kayo na laro, sabihin nyo lang. Sige, bye-bye!